And this is the final product of my beautiful Christmas church Noel. Look at how beautiful it turned out. So this whole thing was very inexpensive. The jar was $1, the ornament was $1, this ornament was $1. I put a little night light in the back, added some ribbon, and this whole thing was like $4 to $5. And it lights up. And I'm gonna make this one and a different one I will show you in the video. Merry Christmas. Okay, so I am going to show you DIY how to make this beautiful Noel vase with the church on top of it, and it was very inexpensive. Everything was from the Dollar Tree, one thing was from Dollar General, and a few items for Walmart, and one item from Michael's. But I'll show you, the whole thing is only like $4.50 to make. It's lighting up. I don't know if you can see it. I have it next to my new Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. But this is what you need. Try to make this fast and simple. These bows were $3.98 for 10 of them at Walmart. I use them on a lot of DIYs this Christmas, so they're 40 cents each. A couple cotton balls, so when you do the top over here like that, you can see the cotton balls. You just need a couple, maybe like 10 or 12 of them. I'll show you in a minute. Then you've got the little tea lights. Those were 2 for $1. The reindeer moss, this whole bag of reindeer moss, also from the Dollar Tree, just $1. That's what that looks like. You'll use the whole bag inside of this glass jar, $1 from the Dollar Tree. It looks like this when you purchase it. It's just an open glass vase. And then you have to buy one of these vases because, or jars rather, because you just need the top, this silver thing. You just need to take that off. And there it is, upside down, and you shove this ornament inside of it. This was from the Dollar Tree as well. It was $1. And it comes like this. It's a little church. You cut off the string attached, and you just shove it in there, and then you put the cotton balls on top at the end. I'm going to leave, this time, I'm going to leave this little green and red with the holly on there. It's so cute. But before, I had purchased this little ornament from Walmart, and I put it on there, and I have an extra one. It's a star. There was like a pack of 6 or 8 from Walmart for $1.98, but I don't think I'm going to use it this time. This ornament that says Believe was $1 at the Dollar General, and I had used the one that said Noel before, so this time I thought we'd use Believe because it goes nice with the little red embellishment of the holly on there. And then of course always have your glue sticks, your scissors, and your glue gun heated and ready to go. And then I also bought some of this ribbon that I had showed you in another DIY from Michael's. It's really nice. You can use any ribbon. I'm just really into this plaid to match my Santa, and I have a dish towel and things, other things like pillows and ornaments. But this whole DIY was only like $4.50. And it lights up. It's so beautiful. I'll take a picture, or a photo rather, of the final products together, and you can see everything and how nice it turns out, okay? So stay tuned. So I just wanted to show you as I take step by step. I poured the entire bag of the reindeer moss in there. I cut this ornament off, put this lid on top so it looks like that. Then I took the ribbon and I measured it around the top, and I cut it, and now I'm going to glue it on there. And after I glue this all on real snug, I'm going to put this Believe. I cut the ornament off, and I'm going to glue that over. Once the black and white plaid ribbon is on here, I'm going to glue that on. And then I'll show you the next step. So right now I'm at this step where I've got everything glued on. I did my ribbon, and I just held on my Believe sign, the little ornament that I cut off, and it's still warm. And then I took one of these bows off of this whole big thing of the $3.98 from Walmart. There was 10 of them, so 40 cents each. I took one off. You just take it off the back, pull one through, and then you've got to take this whole red thing off of here. And then once the red thing's off, you glue it right on the top like that. So I'll show you that in a minute. And then you put the cotton balls in. So I'm going to show you those 2 next steps right now. On there, and I cut it a little bit off to make it look even on the sides here, so that you could see the word Believe and it wasn't hanging down. So it's shorter than these original bows. You took the red off and cut them, and that's the final product there. Now I'm going to take these cotton balls and I'm gonna put them inside of here and show you what that looks like, okay? So I'll show you that. So now I put all the cotton balls in and I shoved them in. I used 8 of the jumbo cotton balls from Walmart, and I didn't even stretch them. I just shoved them in and lined them up, 3 in the front, 2 on each side. No, 1 on each side maybe, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So about 8. I used 3 in the front, 3 in the back, and 1 on each side. But see how many you'd like in there. But it looks like snow. So now I'm going to decide if I'm going to put something here on this one, or maybe I might do the star on the top here like I did on the other one. So I'm going to decide, and then I'll be back and I'll show you what the final product is, because I have to also put the little tea light in the back. I'm going to turn this around. I'll do that next. And in here there's a little open hole. And believe it or not, one of these little tea lights that you open up from the Dollar Tree, just open it up, take it out, and there's a little tab on it. And you pull the little tab out, and then you turn the light on, and once you have it on, you just put this little part right inside of here. And it fits right in there. And it sits, and then you just turn this little tab on and off to get the light. So I'll show you that in a minute. And there it is. I just put the little light in the back of it, and then you turn it around, and look at that. There it is, so sparkly. And now I have to decide if I'm going to embellish it with anything at the top or on the bow. I will show you the final products all together.